Right here we have a smart deadbolt or smart lock. Security is number one when it comes to your home or when it comes to your room, in case you're renting someone's room out. So let's go ahead. We are going to unbox it. And these are fairly easy to install. Templates, instructions, just in case you don't have a hole in the door. One of the coolest things about the smart door lock is the hotel key. Key fob, whatever you want to call it. This is one of the best things that ever happened to doors. They give you some rubber boot. It might go to cover something, but you have a rubber boot right here. And then we have the user's manual. And for the main ingredients, the deadbolt. Screws, waterproof gasket right here, or seal. That way water don't get behind it. Pull this down. Batteries included. And they give you keys. 2 keys. Old school, you guys. Old school. Nice and easy. That's it. You got that. You got that. Then you have the lock right here. All right, everyone. So now we are here with the latch. And the latch is adjustable. It's in the instructions, but it's real hard to adjust when you first take it out. So you will need to get yourself 2 wrenches and give it a little tug. That way you can adjust it from left and right. All right. And now I'm going to show y'all what it looks like when it's fully adjusted. I am hitting the end of my door on the inside, and then I put it back to where it was. And now it's short enough to fit on the inside. And then on this part right here, you can actually cut off those pieces right there on that little skinny metal part. If it's too long, some people's doors may be a little bit thinner than others. So there we go. We putting this in, and then we're going to put the exterior part on. This is the part where you actually have to type in for the keypad. And now we're going to screw in the side part. This part I should have screwed in already, but it is what it is. So we're just screwing it in now. I'm gonna put this electrical down here, and then you can go in the middle with that, and that's how it comes out right there. All right, you guys, and for your main ingredient, you want to hook up your electrical connection. All right, it snaps in. It's kind of like twisted, so let's try to twist it back to normal. All right, now we got that. Now you gotta line up this right here, almost like lining up a key. So right here, we have to line it up with our lock. Make sure the bottom matches the hole right there, and just put this right on top. Make sure that locks. Put our screw on the bottom. All right, you guys, and we are fully done. She was just talking to us, and now I put the cap back on, unlocked, and she will automatically lock by herself. Close it. See what happens. All right, and there we go, ladies and gentlemen. All right, she is locked. Unlocked. And that's it. So I'm gonna take the automatic lock off. That's not my thing. Don't really care about that because you pretty much can lock through your phone and stuff like that and get notifications. So let's go ahead and download the app. So it automatically senses the door. So we're just gonna hit add, and it's gonna take a little bit of time, you guys. I might just go ahead and fast forward you. Oh dang, that was fast. So if I want to change the name, I can just change it to basement door. Finish. Done. Oh, is that easy? Dang, you guys, this is getting faster and faster. Now, let's go ahead, slide, unlock. Wow, on point, ladies and gentlemen. Will it auto lock? Okay, so it auto locks. All right, so now I can add a member. That's my son. Add a member, and now I can do their fingerprint once I tap my member. Name, fingerprint, code, and card. What I'm gonna do is hit fingerprint, and it's gonna tell you to do the fingerprint add.
Place your finger on the reader. Confirm again. Confirm again. Confirm again. Confirm again. Succeed.
All right, so it says added, and this will be fingerprint name will be right, just in case you forget what fingerprint it was. No, right, index finger, enable notifications. Yeah, we can enable it. Blah, blah, blah. If you want to do app and text message, don't matter. Then you put your number down. So now let's see what happens.
Unlock.
And just that easy, ladies and gentlemen. All right, your family entered hijacking key. Why they call it hijacking key? Adding the code, so we can go ahead and add a code. Adding the code is easy, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's pretty cool. They have a doorbell on here as well. My code.
Unlock.
All right. So what you do is you hit your code, you hit the pound button. The last thing I'm gonna show y'all is the card. So you add, you have your card right here. You hit add.
Please swipe access card.
Please swipe it.
Succeed.
Succeed. Already done, ladies and gentlemen. And then you can name it whoever. If you're giving it to your kids, you can name it Kid 1.
Unlock.
You just got to make sure you put it to the door. All right, you guys, we got the fingerprint, we got the code, we got the card, and now we're going old school with it.
Unlock. Locked.
Nice and easy, right? I am not an auto lock fan, so right now I'm going to turn auto lock off. I'm going down here to more. And right there where it says auto lock.
Auto lock. Off. Auto lock.
Auto lock off, okay? So if you have kids and if you leave out for work before them and they leave for school, then I understand why auto lock will be necessary. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.